All right.
Hey, Patrick, say hi. Give me 5.
All right.
All right, we back in the shop. Scott, I brought my man here to buy a car for his son.
All right. Cool. What do we got going on?
I don't know. He's 7. I need a beginner.
Hey, I try to get him something brushed, so I'm even looking at this is brushed.
Yeah,
right?
these would be perfect, honestly. This setup here, you're looking at $230, all-wheel drive, waterproof,
Dang.
30 miles an hour, 2-year warranty on all the electronics in it, and fully upgradable. So if you want to eventually make it faster, you can brush this motor into it.
Yes.
If you want to make it have metal parts on it, you can do that.
Is it gonna start running right now?
Well, you need to charge it, but yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Everything is in there for it to run. Come ready to run.
All right. He gets out of school at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, it takes a couple hours to charge it, so if you go home, charge it right now, it should be good for right around when he gets out of school, yeah.
For sure.
Let's do that.
All right, and
he wanted to
then
spend
I have
220.
this one in green, and then I have this one here in either the red.
Yeah. All right, my boy's copping a Senton for his son.
Hey, yo, that's the shit you be racing right there?
What? These? These?
Yeah.
No. I race like the. Come back here. These are all used cars right here.
None of these for sale?
They're all for sale. But this is fast car. This ain't like for your son. It's something for like you. You know what I'm saying?
I had that right there.
Yeah, I gotta get nitro. I'm gonna run the 20% today. I forgot to tell y'all he got helicopters and planes.
Yep.
All for sale.
I need the actual.
Even the parts for it.
I had a lot of fun with that.
Damn.
The other day I.
Alright, my boy's getting this right here for his son.
His mother got it.
I'm gonna grab the nitro.
Yeah, entry level.
Alright, guys. Hopefully I get a video of him running them.
No, it's only the drones.
This
If
is
the
for everybody who
drone
wanted to
is
know the used
big enough that it
section.
can carry shit, then you have to register it. But if it's like a regular small drone that it's not going to be able to like pick packages up and drop drugs off and shit, like that's why they have to go register it. Literally.
That holds up to a
It'd be like a DJI Phantom would be able to do that. Those are usually like $1,000 or so, something like that.
How big are they?
Decent size, something like that.
They don't got ones that are small.
Alright. They got a Willy bar.
Yep.
Yeah, my son loves his grave diggers too because I took him to see Monster Trucks Mad like 3 times. He loves his grave.
Look, y'all, we got batteries. I forgot to show y'all all this in the last one, but we got batteries, chargers. Oh, we got servos, receivers. We got everything you need in here. Cars for days.
Alright, so that's $244.30.
My boy about to cash out on that thing. Son about to be happy. You got that Arrma. First car is Arrma.
That's you.
You got the batteries?
Yes.
Yeah! I'm gonna drive her at home too. I'll make ramps out of wood.
Grab it out of there. You take the plastic off of it.
You can?
Yeah, sure. You can take the plastic off of it.
Okay, then you got the off-road jump. Look at you go, player.
That's what the battery.
Turn away. There you go.
Yeah, rip it.
Go. Try that thing.
Where'd it go?
He's a lefty or a righty?
Righty.
Right.
Alright, hold on.
I'm bringing the granite out so he can run with his son. They out there cutting out.